Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fluorescent light fixtures that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the FaithSail 4FT LED Wraparound Light. The FaithSail 4FT LED Wraparound Light is a great choice for those looking to save energy and money. This light fixture is easy to install and provides over 4,400 lumens of light, equivalent to 120 W traditional lights. It features an acrylic prismatic lens that wraps around the fixture to maximize light output and distribution. It is suitable for garages, offices, workshops, kitchens, and more. Customers have praised its low power use, easy installation, and reliability. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ANTLUX 4FT LED Flush Mount Puff Lights. ANTLUX puff lights offer high performance with 4,500 lumens output, 5,000 K daylight white, and 40 W energy saving capacity. The durable design features high-quality LEDs and a long lifespan of 50,000 plus hours. The elegant design includes decorative end caps and a frosted cover for soft, glare-free lighting. Hassle-free installation makes it ideal for various spaces like kitchens, laundry rooms, and offices, providing uniform illumination. The reliable performance ensures 23 years of use, making it a convenient and efficient lighting solution for your home or workspace. At number 3, we have the FaithSail 4FT LED Wraparound Light. The FaithSail LED Office Light is designed to brighten your space while saving energy. With a remarkable output of 7,200 lumens, it replaces traditional 160 W lights, significantly lowering your electricity bill. The acrylic prismatic lens enhances light distribution, ensuring every corner of your room is well lit. Installation is a breeze, whether you're replacing old fluorescent fixtures or setting up new lighting. Plus, you can connect multiple lights together seamlessly. This fixture is perfect for various settings, from workshops to offices, making it an excellent choice for any environment. At number 2, we have the ANTLUX 8FT LED Wraparound Ultra Slim Strip Lights. The ANTLUX 8FT LED. Strip lights are a super bright lighting solution for your garage, shop, warehouse, office, or any other space that requires bright and efficient lighting. With an output of 12,600 lumens at 110 watts, these lights provide high brightness while saving up to 70% on your electric bill. The durable fixture is made of rugged aluminum, ensuring excellent heat dissipation and a long lifespan. The new design features soft and glare-free lighting, making it easy on the eyes. The ultra-slim design adds an elegant touch to your space, and the 180-degree shining from both sides ensures no inadequate lighting. These lights are also linkable, making installation easy. With a lifespan of 50,000 hours, these lights can last up to 23 years with 6 hours of daily use. If you need any support, the professional after-sales team is ready to provide a timely solution to your problems. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lithonia Lighting LED Linear Flush Mount. The Lithonia Lighting LED Linear Flush Mount is a high-performance light fixture that provides 3,300 lumens with minimal watts, making it an energy-efficient option for your home. Its solid wood frame with a popular crown molding design comes in oak and white finishes, while its durable diffuser softens the appearance of the LEDs and prevents fingerprints. It operates at 120 volts and has a matte texture. Additionally, the light fixture is CSA certified and ENERGY STAR certified and listed for damp locations. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.